For this exercise, we will be working with the sales database and the customers collection we created in an earlier section. To begin, we'll go to the connection tree. Locate the customers collection node, then bring up the right-click menu and scroll down to select Add View here. Studio 3T now launches the View On editor in its own tab. The View On editor is nearly identical to the aggregation editor, except that it provides an option for creating a view left of the Run button. At this point, we can build our own aggregation pipeline from scratch, defining each stage as needed, just as you would in the aggregation editor. However, because aggregations were covered earlier in this course, you'll take an easier approach this time around and create your view based on a predefined aggregate statement. We'll copy this aggregate from our Studio 3T Academy webpage to our clipboard. Next, we'll go back to Studio 3T, and in the View editor, click the Paste button in the upper right corner. This automatically populates the Pipeline tab with the 4 aggregation stages from our aggregate statement. Now toggle open each of the 4 pipelines of the statement so we can see all. The statement's aggregation pipeline defines the following 4 stages. The first stage uses the match operator to limit the documents to those with transactions values greater than 0. The second stage uses the group operator to group the documents first by the package field and then by the prior support field. It then calculates the total number of transactions for each group. The third stage uses the $project operator to define 3 fields to be included in the results while excluding the _ID field. The last stage uses the $sort operator to sort the documents in ascending order, first by the package field and then by the prior support field. Now, either press F5 or click on the Run button to run the pipeline stages. Studio 3T should return 15 documents. Now, click the Create View button on the View Editor toolbar. This opens a Create View prompt, which asks us to name the view. Type Package Totals in the Enter View Name text box and then click OK to save the view. After the view has been saved, it'll open a new sale.package_totals tab, while simultaneously creating a node that shows up in the connection tree in a Views folder under your target collection. You can query and sort documents, select different views, launch Visual Query Builder, and carry out several other tasks. However, unlike a connection tab, you can only read the data from a view. Close the View editor, but leave the Package Totals View tab open for the next exercise.